Head-bowed Amiram Ben Uliel was led into court, charged with carrying out the most infamous individual act of anti-Palestinian violence in recent years. He was on Monday convicted of the murder of Riham and Saad Dawabsheh and their 18-month-old son Ali by setting their house on fire as they slept. Their 4-year-old son Ahmad was badly burned but survived.
The trial will not bring my family back. It will not bring back Riham, Saad, and Ali. The trial will not bring back Ahmed's family. I don't want there to be more children to go through the trauma that we went through.
The prosecution said Ben Uliel, along with another youth, conspired to attack Palestinians in the occupied West Bank after a Jewish man was shot and killed. It said the minor stayed away, but the 21-year-old Ben Uliel went himself into the village of Duma and set fire to the Dawabsheh's house. In their verdict, the judges acknowledged the unresolved elements of the case, in particular witness testimony and crime scene evidence suggesting more than one attacker was involved, but ruled that the detailed content of Ben Uliel's confessions made it clear that he was guilty. This case attained such a high profile and there was such pressure for conviction that the Israeli security services used tactics on the suspects more normally preserved for Palestinian detainees, such as detention without charge and enhanced interrogation, sometimes called torture. Ben Uliel's lawyer says that will form the basis of his appeal.
His admission and his confession was made after serious violation of his rights, including torture, and we hope that the Supreme Court will overrule the judgment.
The Israeli Security Service called the verdict a milestone in the battle against Jewish terror, but Ben Uliel was acquitted of belonging to any terror group. The other suspect, who can't be named because of his age at the time, was however convicted on that charge as part of an earlier plea deal.
This man was convicted, but we think with certainty that he's not alone. There are others out there who are part of it, and they're free, and they can still practice terror on our people. It is possible that we will be subject to the retaliatory attacks.
Ben Uliel is due to be sentenced next month. 5 years on, the Dawabsheh family say they're still far from finding a sense of resolution. Harry Fawcett, Al Jazeera, Lod, Israel.